We've had a long period of a bull market. Maybe it's about time we're due for a bear market and just take some medicine. Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay. Happy Fed Day, vol traders. Yes, this is the day we've all been waiting for. Certainly, we've been looking forward to this for some time now. The Fed has been quite hawkish. That's led the market to decline close to year-to-date lows. The S&P 500 down almost 12% on the year. The VIX, for its part, nowhere near its high on the year, given that we're so close to the low in the market. The VIX is at 29. The high for the year is 39 or close to 39 when the market was on its low at the start of March. So interesting to see that there's a little bit of a divergence there. We'll see how that plays out. Now, the Fed, we all know they've been signaling a very hawkish tone lately. They've been signaling, they're going to really get inflation under wraps because that's going to be the biggest problem going forward. Since then, the economy is actually starting to look a little bit weaker than expected. Bad ISM number this morning. Of course, we had a really bad GDP number, surprisingly bad. So will that change their tune? And I actually think, I hope that it doesn't for the market. I think that would be the worst case scenario if the Fed turns dovish and says they won't raise as much. I don't think that'll get inflation down as quick as they need to, and that's going to be the problem for the economy, whether the Fed likes it or not. And I don't think the stock markets will rally on that dovishness. I think in that case, bad news will be bad news. And in other words, what does the Fed know that the market does not know yet? More bad times ahead. So I think the base case is the Fed will continue with what they've telegraphed, 50 basis point rate hike, quantitative tightening, and maybe a tiny sliver of economic data dependent on future rate hikes, but still maintaining that hawkishness on that inflation, getting that under control is their main goal right now. And I think that's the best case for the market. And maybe, honestly, the market just needs to take some medicine. We've had a long period of a bull market. Maybe it's about time we're due for a bear market and just take some medicine, get our fiscal act in order, get this inflation under control before the bull market can continue again. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.